Hello and welcome to the HoneyBug Crafty Corner. Today we're going to tackle this spooktacular pennant flag kit that's perfect for kids. Everything's included, festive and fun. I mean, you can't get better than this to ring in the spooky season. On the back are all the instructions you need, so if you get lost, do not fret, we've got you. But do not forget, please get creative and have fun. Make this craft something that's unique to you and your little one. This kit has everything you need to make the perfect pennant flag: a cutout, a wooden stick, festive and fun ribbon, and of course, HoneyBug signature stars in all the spooky season favorite colors. First things first, we're gonna grab our scissors and get to cutting. Now, if I'm being honest, I wasn't very good at cutting things out in first grade, and I fear that has not gotten better over time, but bear with me, we will get through this together. And even if this takes a little bit, it allows us to ask questions, the hard questions, like what is the best Halloween candy? Now, I know this might be an unpopular opinion, but for me, it has got to be Sweet Tarts. I truly cannot get enough of them. And I mean, this little guy right here, this little ghost, this ghost agrees with me too. So I respect whatever opinion you have. You know, candy is candy and I love it, and I'm sure your little ones love it too, so don't forget to ask them what their favorite candy is as well. And there you have it. It's cut out, ready to go. There's this extra section over here that allows us to fold it over the wooden stick, which we're going to do right now. In your DIY kit, you'll receive some adhesive that's no mess, super easy to use. All you'll have to do is stick it right on to the back of your pennant flag, a little to the left of where you think the fold would be. Press it down tightly to make sure that it will stay. Peel off the backing of it, and then grab your handy dandy wooden stick, place it to the right of that adhesive, and then you're going to take that extra bit of paper, fold it right on over, and press down hard. Make sure you really get all sides of that paper to touch that adhesive. And look at that! It's so cute already. Is it crooked? Maybe. Am I perfect? Well, of course, but apparently my DIY skills don't convey that. And that's alright. Yours will be perfect. I can only imagine. So now we're going to take our fun and festive ribbons. A fun fact, each DIY kit actually includes different kinds of ribbon, so no DIY kit is the same, which really makes it super fun. Your pennant flag is truly unique, and if you want to add it some more unique flair, feel free to include your own decorations. If your kids want certain kind of colors on it, get creative, get fun, and most importantly, if they're old enough, let them have fun with this craft as well. It's super kid friendly, super easy. Right here, you just tie the ribbons at different angles, at different heights, and you can cut them to different lengths too, depending how you want it to lay. And oh my gosh, look at this. It is so cute. I'm freaking out right now. Okay, so we're going to take the stars to add the final touches. Put them wherever you want. You can put them at the end of ribbons, but I'm gonna put them right there, at least just the black one, because I like how it matches that ribbon right there. And I'm going to take the other adhesive that will be in my kit, put it on the back of the star, really get it on there, take off the backing if I was capable of doing so, and there, and now press it on super tightly so it doesn't fall off, and there you have it. Such a cute seasonal craft to do with your kids, super easy, super fun, truly the best way to ring in the spooky season. So you can go ahead and head over to HoneyBug. On our website, we have these DIY kits for sale. If you just want to print out the download of the PDF of the pennant flag and have all your own supplies on your own, feel free to do that. That's also on the website. Just be sure to tag us at Shop HoneyBug if you do end up creating one. We are dying to see all of your creations, and we hope that you have the spookiest of spooky seasons.